Discover Yuantuo's complete steel billet heating system, an intelligent solution for continuous casting billet transport heat treatment. This integrated system comprises billet guiding mechanisms, advanced induction heating power supplies, billet heating coils, infrared temperature measurement devices, and a PLC automated control system, enabling fully automated, intelligent operation. The equipment effectively compensates for heat loss during continuous casting billet transport, significantly reducing temperature differences between billet heads, tails, and quarter surface zones, ensuring uniform temperature distribution and perfect compliance with rolling process requirements. Yuantuo system supports the production of high-quality steel with precise dimensions, excellent microstructure, and superior surface finish, guaranteeing stable and efficient rolling operations, widely applied in the steel manufacturing industry. This turnkey solution is a key tool for improving billet quality and production efficiency. Choose Yuantuo to achieve precise billet temperature control, enhance product quality, and ensure production stability. Contact Yuantuo today for customized technical support and professional solutions.